As we all know, the OTR tire repairs and equipment has not advanced in years. It is like everybody's just too comfortable in the same old way of doing things, and no company is taking the time to improve and simplify things for their customer. Well, that has changed with the brand new smart valve system we would like to introduce to you today. Can definitely change the tire industry with this automated system and the data logging it provides, and we can only grow from here. I would like to mention a couple of key features that the system has to offer that will definitely put us and our customers way ahead of our competitors. This system is a dual system, and you can also cure individually so the system can run independently. The system can connect to any Wi-Fi device, and the controller that we have here is touchscreen to adjust the temperature, air pressure, and the time. We can also log into the system from anywhere if you should have any issues with it, so this reduces downtime. The system will also give you notifications on your phone if anything should go wrong during your curing process. You can also start and stop the system remotely and also change any values on it, whether it be your temperature, your pressure, or your time. The system also comes with a data logger. This provides you with the report of each cure. The physical appearance looks very different to the current REMAVULC system. It has a manual on-off switch, also an emergency stop to switch off the power immediately. This regulator regulates the inlet air line that needs to be set manually to protect the air components in the panel. This is the air inlet. This gauge indicates the inline air pressure. This is the touchscreen controller. On this you can see the heat pad temperature for the inner and outer heat pads, and also the airbag pressure and the curing time. All of these values can be adjusted on the screen itself. You can also start the cure with these two buttons. At the bottom, it has 4 airline connections and heat pad supply. On the technical side and operational side of the panel, the airflow is regulated by a 4 to 20 milliamp pressure transducer. Your inner and your outer airbags are inflated simultaneously on each system. The heat pads are regulated with a J-type thermocouple, and it also has a low frequency PWM control. This means that the heat pads do not receive full current power constantly. The system also has a post-cure cycle. In the cycle, your heat pads are switched off and the airbags stay inflated for about 45 minutes. This can be adjusted according to the customer's preference. The reason for the cycle is so that your heat pads can cool down and your repair has time to settle to ensure a perfect repair every time. The system has 6 stages that is indicated on the screen. Stage 1. After the start is activated, your airbags will inflate to a holding pressure of 0.8 bar for 30 seconds. This is to ensure that your harness does not move. Stage 2, your airbags will inflate completely to your set pressure, which is recommended at 2.2 bar. Stage 3, this is where your heat pads will activate and will start heating up. Stage 4 is your curing cycle. Your timer for your curing cycle will not start until both your inner and your outer heat pad reach 100 degrees Celsius. Stage 5 is your cool down or post-cure cycle. In the cycle, as mentioned, your heat pads are switched off and your airbags stay inflated. Stage 6, your cure is now complete and your airbags will deflate completely once this timer runs out. The system also has a built-in alarm for an operator who does not have access to the warning system. The errors that will show are as follows. The TC error is for your heating circuit. You will get notified if your heat pad does not reach temperature or if it goes over temperature. If your over temperature notification is not rectified, the system will shut down to prevent any further damage. Also, if you have a thermocouple break, you will also get a TC error. Your TX error is for your air pressure. This will notify you if you have any leaks on your airbags or if you have an overpressure issue, which is not likely because your pressure transmitter will not allow for this to happen. You also have a burst indication. This is when you have a massive loss of air during your curing cycle. These notifications will be sent to you via WhatsApp or SMS. Then we have the data logger. This gives you a report from every cure in graph form. This will give you the time, the pressure, and the temperature during the cure. This is a very nice feature for quality control and for production management. So why choose SmartVulc? It is the first of its kind, increases productivity through automation, reduces downtime and operator error, remote access for management flexibility, it's modern and it is user-friendly.